All right, here is Jeff Skunk Baxter's solo, the second solo in Bodhisattva from Steely Dan, from Countdown to Ecstasy. He's going to come in with this. Okay, so we're going to start on the 5 on the G string. 2, 3. Pull off 5 to 3. And then 5 to 7, pick those. And then quick 6 to 8 on the second string. Back to 6. And this, whatever finger you want to use, either one of those. 7 to 5 to 3. And then back to the 5 on the G string real quick. So it's 3, 4. And then pull off 5 to 3. And then 5, 6, 5, 3. Quick one. And then pull off again. Another 5, 6, 5, 3. 5, 3 to 5 on the D. Real slow. We got 2, 3. And then we go. Okay, so we have a string of little octave notes. So if you can get that thumb and get ready for that little first finger down there, and even do some kind of hybrid picking with your fingers a little bit, kind of helps out with this riff here. So if I was to do it up to speed, it'd be like. Okay, so it ends up being. So we got this middle octave, we got the low octave, we got the high octave. They're all G's. So we got mid, mid, low, mid, high, high. Mid, low, mid, high. So it's like. Okay, something very close to that. Now we get into a riff in the G string, O, 2, and 3. Kind of slide into a 5 after a while. It's like 5 sets of that O, 2, 3. Slide into the 5. 5, 5. We're going to pull off 5, 3. 5, bend it. And then. So 2 bends on that 5. Second one comes down, pulls off to the 3. 5, 3, pull off. Then we get into a riff. We're going to bend the 5, then we're going to go to the open right before we go to the next bend. Okay, so let's check this all out kind of up to speed a little bit. We got. Okay, now at this point, we're gonna, after we do that, like. We've done like 5 of those, kind of open to 5. Like 5 times. We got another bend, and then we're going to go. We have triplets coming in. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. That kind of thing. So we're going to have like 6 sets of triplets. So up to speed, it'd be like. We're going to come down with a kind of down with a 5, 5, 3. And then we have a double kind of pick thing. We're going to have the little 3 with the 5 on the G string. We're going to have a pull off as well. So we're pulling that to the 3. And then we're going to have to pull to the open after that. So we got 5 and 3. We're going to pull that 5 off to the 3 on the G string. And then we're going to hit the 5 and 3 together. And then we're going to pull it off again. But that time we're going to pull it to the G. So it's back to the 5, 3 twice. So it's. We go up and down with the 5 and the G string, pull off. Pull off. Then the next time we have. Okay, so going back, we got. next measure, and then the next one. So we got 5-3 on the D, 5-3 on the A, and then quick one down, 5-3-1, 3-1. Okay, so we got. Okay, then at that point we got. So we got like 3-3 and back and forth. Like 4 times on that 3 over here. Then you start going to the 4 to the 5. You kind of hit that G if you want. Then you go to the 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. And it kind of has some slapback echo, so it sounds like they're like double notes, but they're kind of seem like they're sort of single notes really with a slapback. We get to this one section where we're like. And then we get to a new thing. So we got 5 on the D, to big G. And those notes going up are like 5 on the A, 2 on the D, 3 and 4 and 5. Then we get into this new thing where we have. So this is octave G on the D string, 5th, and then big G over here. So 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5. And then big 3 to 3, 3 down here. 5 on the D. A couple 5s on the G. Da da da. 3 7s. 3 6s on the B. 3 8s on the B. So it ends up being like. So 8, 8, 8, open G, back to 8. Okay, then we're into the second page of the tab. Let's look at everything so far. We got. Okay, then second page of tab, we have this chord 7 and 8, G and B strings. We got. So 1 and 2 and 3 and we switch to the 6 and 8. So down, down, da, da, down, da, down, up, down, down, up, down. 5 and 8. Up to the 7 and 8 at the end. And then 9 and 8 to finish that out, and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we just have this repeating lick. 3 to 6 on the second string to 3 on the first string. It goes 31 times, so get ready to practice that. Start it slow. You can use your pinky if you want. I find it not as strong as this one if you can make that stretch, but it's a tough stretch. There's other ways to do it. You could do 12 to 15 on the D to 12 on the G. But then you're kind of like up here and it makes a different type of thing. It's kind of easier to be down low if you can reach it. Kind of ends with the thing where you go. Kind of like a G string, the little 3 and back. And then we get into this trill. 1 and 3 on the second string. Changes chords, you stick with the same trill. And then we have this outro riff. So this starts on 15, it goes 15, 16, 18, and then back to those same two notes. And then each time we're going to kind of have like a hammer-on, pull-off, slide down to a lower thing. We go 11, 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 1, and 3 there. And then we're going to come over here in the second string, 4 to 6, and settle into like a G chord there for the end. So it's... Okay, so 15, 16, 18, 13, 11, 10, 8, 6, 4, 3, 1, 4 to 6, G chord. Okay, and the rhythm at the end is like... Okay, so let's go back and look at everything. We got... One, 3 in the B, hold it for the next chord. Those chords are like... And then F. Then when it goes to G... That's when you come and go. All right, Skunk Baxter solo from BODHISATTVA. There's a couple more things to look at. There's a breakdown in the middle of the song before we get to all that. And there's one fill that you got to watch out for. And it's got to be Skunk because he's the only one that bends in this song, right? So there's a thing before. Okay, so we're going to have the answer back to that fast riff. 7 on the G. 5, 6, 8, 6. To the 5. Okay, that kind of a thing. And then we have a higher one that kind of goes in harmony with that one. So that's 8 on the second. 5, 6, 8, 6 again to the 5. Same thing as the other one, but we start on the 8 on that one. So might end on a G chord type thing, and then okay, the next one's gonna be, and these are like really fast triplets, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, that kind of thing. We got 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 12, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So okay, and then the last one, so it's like 15, 17, 18 triplet, 15, 17, 18 triplet, and then 17 with the second one of that triplet missing, but still a triplet feel. So 17 to 15, and then 15, 17 on the second to little 15, 15 on the second to the 14 on the G, also like a missing triplet in between. So and then we have, so 14, 16, 14 triplet, 12, 14, 12, 12, 12, and then we get into those chords of the change there. Okay, so once again it was doodle 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 doodle. And we had the higher one kind of in harmony, and then we had the double stops thing. have that fast. Into the chords. Okay, so that was the breakdown part in the middle, Bodhisattva, Skunk Baxter's parts. Hope you dug it. Tabs with this. Talk to y'all soon.